mode.
Thank you so much for attending our webinar this morning on selling single premium life. This is Sandy Vicanti. I'm the supervisor of producer services here with Insurance Agency Marketing. And again, so greatly appreciate everyone's taking the time this morning to attend the webinar. A few things before we start the webinar. Wanted to go over a couple things. First, our Life and Annuity Academy. It is a great academy. I'm going to put up a poll question that I'm going to launch. Hopefully a lot of you say yes on just getting additional information. What we do is we have this academy about 3 times a year. It is an all expense paid academy, so we pick up all the charges from your airfare to lodging, food, all of that, and it is a great training where we go over different sales ideas and strategies. We go over indexed annuities, the different industry threats and trends, client objections. We go over single premium life and wealth transfer. We'll go over currently the DOL and how that's going to affect the insurance industry. And also we go over seminar systems and the turnkey seminar systems and how to get involved with that. Again, it's a lot of great information. By saying yes to this poll question where you're just asking for additional information on the academy that you're asking us to send you. So I'm going to wait just a little bit longer for everyone to check yes on that so we can get that information sent out to you. And then we'll continue on. All right, let's get that closed out. We also have something called a new producer bonus, and this is great. So for any agent that contracts with us in your first 6 months, when you place business with us, it gets applied to your new producer bonus. And what that is any $100,000 of placed business, whether it's life, annuity, med sup, long-term care, or a combination thereof, you get to choose from a $750 cash bonus, a 2-year subscription to a website or newsletter service. If you place $300,000 of business, whether that's life, annuity, again, med sup or long-term care, you choose a $1,500 gift card. It's a full Social Security program and a 3,000-piece postcard mailing, or a $2,000 matching marketing money to promote your business. If you think, gosh, I'm going to just go gangbusters and place $500,000 of business with us in your first 6 months, you can choose a 5,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with Matt Gill, which is one of our top producers. You can choose a 4,000-piece mailing and seminar coaching with Dave Pimper, another one of our top producers. Or you can choose a Ritz-Carlton Travel Rewards. It's make your own personal getaway. So you can plan your own trip. So again, that's to anyone who contracts with us and places business in their first 6 months. We also have a website that's accessible 24/7. So the website address is www.iamsinc.com. And on that website, you are able to access forms. It has all of the different industry link, has our long-term care and annuity grid, has current industry news on there. You're able to quote term and UL. So if for some reason we're not available to do that, if it's after hours or you're at a client's house, you can go ahead and go onto our website and get that quote for you. It also has all of our great incentives that we're offering and just a lot of great information. I can't strongly suggest enough that you go onto our website, and if you're not familiar with IAMS, get to know us. It has everything about us on there. We offer all of our agents, whether you are new or whether you have been with us for many years in the 30 years we've been in business. We have a referred producer program. So when you refer a producer to us, you receive, when they get contracted, a $50 check. And when that agent then starts writing business and places business with us, not only do you get that $50 check for his first contract, you also get 20 basis points on every piece of business that they place with us. From that point on, there's no stopping. So as long as that agent continues to place business with us, you receive a check of 20 basis points for each piece of business. That doesn't come out of that agent's commission. It doesn't come out of your commission. That's just something that we give you as a thank you. So again, anyone that you can think of that you may want to refer, we can contact them. You can ask that they contact us. Our thank you to you is, here's a $50 check for their contract, and we'll give you 20 basis points for each piece of business that they place with us. We also give each of our agents that place business with us, it's called a marketing reimbursement account. That's what makes us a little bit different than other IMOs. Not only do you get a new producer bonus when you're new with us and this referred producer program, and you get, all these incentives with trips, not only from us, from the carriers. We offer this marketing reimbursement. So for every $100,000 of placed premium, we put in $200 of marketing money into this account, and you can use that for business expenses. So we pay 50% of any invoice that you produce to us for a business expense. So if you want to do seminars, or if you have a website or something like that you paid for, submit that to us. And if it costs $400 and you have that $200 in your marketing reimbursement account, we will cut you a check for $200. And that money just builds. There's not an expiration date on that. You can let that build to as large as you want to, or you can continue to, get money from there, whichever you prefer. So again, you can see where we have a lot of incentives to be an agent of ours. So let's get into the single premium life and why it's just a great opportunity for both you and your clients. The topics that we're going to go over are why agents just seem to choose not to sell it, why it's so popular, who's the different prospects for it, the very simple underwriting for single premium life. We compare it to an annuity. Who fits, a single premium life? What kind of clients? Why you should be selling and why you should be selling it with IMES, and just general information about single premium life. First off, why do agents choose not to sell it? There's a belief out there that the client has to die to benefit, and that's just not the case at all. With single premium life, there's so many benefits to the client while they're alive. There's nursing care, home health care benefits to it. They're able to have loan provisions. And again, there's a lot of living benefits for the client while they're alive. It's a great wealth transfer, but there's also great living benefits. Agents think that it's a difficult sell, and it's not. It's a simplified issue product. So if you think that your client has, really serious health issues, you would be surprised at what we're able to get approved. Also, if agents think, well, gosh, my clients just don't have, the money to put into a single premium life. I work a lot of Medicare clients, or I work a lot of final expense. There's a lot of clients that, took out a life policy when they were very first married, 35, 40 years ago. They have $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 sitting in that life policy. Let's utilize that and have that money work better for them in a single premium life policy, or have them take out 10% withdrawals out of some annuities and take that money and have them use that for a single premium life. If you by chance, or if an agent has not maintained a good relationship with their existing clients, what a way to get back in there and do a policy update or a policy review for your clients and say, I've got this great policy that is great for wealth transfer, but it's also great for nursing care, home health care benefits. Again, if you're concerned about underwriting or it will take too long, or you think your client won't qualify, this is built not only for healthy clients, but it's also built for clients with health history. So again, if your clients have diabetes that are insulin controlled, we're not concerned about that. We get those approved. If your clients had cancer 3 years ago, as long as treatment was completed 3 years ago, we get those approved. Heart attack 3 years ago, we get those approved. So if for some reason you're discounting your clients or disqualifying your clients for health reasons, give us a call first. Let us hear what the health issues are. We'll just tell you up front. We won't want to waste your time, the client's time, our time, if we're not able to get it through underwriting. We'll let you know if we're able to do it or not, but just don't disqualify your clients without giving us a call. We have single premium life carriers that literally will give you an immediate decision right there on the phone. We have others that it takes up to 48 hours. So it's a really quick decision. There's absolutely no exam, no labs, none will ever be asked. There are medical questions on an application. Those same questions are asked on the telephone interview. So it's a really quick process. Some agents also choose not to sell it because they feel like it's too difficult or they feel like they have to learn something new. And there really isn't anything new. It's a simple wealth transfer process. That's all it is. It's basic life insurance. It's not anything complicated. It's just a wealth transfer product. And agents don't see the value in the product when there's so much value. Whether the agent or the client needs to do a wealth transfer. If they have enough life insurance, then look at it for nursing care or home health care benefits. It's just a real versatile product. The reason why this product is so popular is because $1.4 trillion in assets are being passed to the next generation. And these are all passed with tax-free. This wealth transfer is all tax-free to their beneficiaries. And again, if they are in no need of any additional life insurance, use it for the nursing care, home health care benefits with a high cost of long-term care, and it's a use it or lose it situation. Use the single premium life for that. They may not need those nursing care, home health care benefits. They're automatically built into the product. Then if they don't need it, great. Then they have a great life insurance policy. It's completely hassle-free. There's no compliance. There's not suitability. There's no exam. There's no labs. It's great commission. It's a guaranteed interest rate. It's all tax deferral. If you have an old annuity book of business, these are brand new commissions on an old book of business. It's just a great product, and that's why it's so popular. Who are prospects for this product? Any annuity client who's not drawing income or do not need income. Like I said earlier, 10% free withdrawals. If they don't need the income from it, take a 10% free withdrawal, put it into this life policy. If they have a lot of annuities, then they're going to need this wealth transfer to help their beneficiaries offset some of those taxes from those annuities. Any clients that are required to take RMDs and they don't need it for income, put that into a single premium life. Medicare supplement clients, consolidate the policies with no future premiums. Protect those assets from Medicaid spend down. We have single premium life products that go up to age 99. That is guaranteed issue. And dependent upon your state, they can put up to $15,000 in a single premium life product and protect it from Medicaid spend down. So, it's a great opportunity for those clients. If you have life insurance clients that possibly took out one of those UL policies, back in the 80s and they're completely imploding, take what cash value they have left instead of, having that UL policy just completely take it all. And let's utilize that money and put it into a single premium life. Policies with minimal net amount of risk, let's utilize that. Also, with single premium life, when you have clients that have been turned down for long-term care, long-term care, that's underwritten on morbidity, where these single premium life cases are underwritten for mortality. So even though they may have been declined for long-term care, that does not mean that they will be declined for life insurance. So, and they can still get, obviously, those nursing care home health care benefits. So any of those clients that may have been turned down, go back, take a look at those clients, give us a call. Let's get them quoted and see if we can get them not only great life insurance, but more importantly, those nursing care or home health care benefits. Clients that don't know if they need long-term care, they're concerned that they might need it, but they don't want to pay the premiums for a separate long-term care policy that they may not use. Then I suggest that they look at single premium life. It's automatically built in. If they don't need it, then they have a great life insurance policy. Clients also that can't or will not pay, again, for expensive standalone plans, then let's utilize single premium life. There's products out there that have a return of premium feature on it. If for some reason they decide that they're not going to utilize it, then you can the clients can utilize the return of premium feature on the product and get everything they put into it at a minimum minus any withdrawals. For single premium life, real easy. Its issue age is 50 to 85 and its actual age. There's some that are issued 0 to 90, but for the most part it's 50 to 85, and again, actual age. And the premiums vary by carrier. Minimum $5,000 for a single premium. Maximum death benefit on a guaranteed side, for the most part, is $750,000. At some, it's $1 million with prior carrier approval. But again, between $5,000 and $10,000 for a minimum premium. Face amounts, again, maximum death benefit will be $750,000, and that's always on the guaranteed side. Underwriting, we have a lot that start at a table 4, and we have some that go up to a table 8. So when you're doing that telephone interview, they're either going to be approved at a table 4 or declined at a table 4. We have, again, some carriers where they're going to be, if they're not approved at a table 4, then they will look and see if they can be approved at that table 8. It is no exam, absolutely no labs. We're written for mortality on the life side, even though we have great nursing care, home health care benefits. So it's never written off of morbidity. Benefits of it: return of premium. That is strong. So if your clients need their money back, again, they're guaranteed to receive what they put in minus any withdrawals. You're not able to get that on an annuity or a long-term care policy. It has nursing care, home health care benefits built in. There's withdrawals. It mimics an annuity where the client can take withdrawals up to 10% a year. You can transfer qualified and non-qualified money into a single premium life policy. Underwriting for single premium life, we have actual cases, and this is what I was talking about. If you have clients that you think, gosh, absolutely no way they're going to get approved, an 83-year-old female, and these are actual cases we had through our office here, type 2 diabetic, on blood thinner medication, 2 blood pressure medications, and a cholesterol medication, we approved. We had a 78-year-old, and this is one of our top carriers, a 78-year-old male with kidney disease, with type 2 diabetes, on insulin, with gout, approved. 68-year-old female, colon cancer in 2004, edema, high blood pressure with bone loss, approved. Again, other examples that I had said previously that had, pretty substantial health history, bypass or angioplasty after 2 years, cancer, remission is that 2 years, or that's kind of pushing it there, heart attack after 2 years, Parkinson's, stroke, 2 years with no treatment, with good follow-up, a pacemaker after 5 years. So just don't think that, because, of maybe life, if you haven't sold life insurance, because of how underwriting was, 10, 15, 20 years ago, it has so changed. It has changed with time, which it needed to. Give us a call. Let us look at your clients. Not every client's going to get approved for life insurance or for single premium life, but we would sure like a chance to see what we're able to do and how we're able to help your clients on this just amazing product. When you compare a single premium life to an annuity, there's a long-term care payout. There's account value built in. There's death benefit. We'll do a comparison on a 65-year-old male for $100,000. When you do that, when you compare an annuity long-term care payout with a single premium life long-term care payout, again, 65-year-old male for $100,000 in year 5, that $100,000 will give that client a $4,576 per month payout for nursing care benefits, which are tax-free. When you look at an annuity, it gives them $1,120 a month payout, which is taxable. Again, year 10, year 15, year 20 on the single premium life side, it's consistent. It's $4,576. On the annuity side, and that's tax-free. On the annuity side, if they go into a nursing care, if they need those nursing care benefits in year 10, it's $1,721 a month. 15 in year 15, it's $2,444. In year 20, it's $3,245 a month, and those are all taxable. So you can see where those benefits on the single premium life side are tax-free and much higher at $4,576 if they elect in those years to use those nursing care benefits, compared to an annuity where they're much lower in any of those years and they're all taxable. When you look at the same gentleman on a single premium life compared to an annuity on the account value, both you can see grow relatively the same. On the annuity, it's a little bit higher. Both grow tax deferred, so it's pretty comparable there. The annuity does grow at, again, a little bit higher rate. And then for death benefit, you see a change there on single premium life. Year 20, death benefits $213. Annuity is $160. Death benefit on single premium is tax-free. And on the annuity, it's taxable, of course, above the cost basis. So who are the single premium life carriers? We have more than one. We're not just stuck on one single premium life carrier. We have several. Equitrust is a big one. They have that 12% bonus, return of premium. Of course, all of them have the nursing care, home health care benefits. Baltimore is a big one. They have, immediate decision on the phone. Nursing care, home health care benefits. They accept qualified funds on one of their products. Lincoln Financial is another great carrier. National Guardian has a guarantee issue product. Goes up to age 99, and they have the one that protects from Medicaid spend down. Again, dependent upon your state, can protect up to $15,000. National Western's another great one to take a look at. We have One America, Oxford, Sagicor, Assurity. We have great carriers. We have multiple carriers. So we would really love to look at our different carriers. We know which one would fit your client depending upon their health issues or depending upon what you're looking for. So let us know how we're able to assist. So basically, if I can just show you a plan for your existing annuity and CD or CD, for your client that your client's not going to be drawing income from, that offers your clients a 12% bonus, has, return of premium. Your client can do a 5% free withdrawal of the accumulation value each year. It's, attached to the S&P, it's tax deferred, has nursing care, home health care benefits built in, and is income tax free to your beneficiaries. Let us know if you would be interested in something like that, because that is, single premium life, basically. So, to help your clients, if they're at all concerned about the taxes that their beneficiaries are going to have to pay when they inherit, their monies, let us look at single premium life. If you're in a slump right now with your sales, let's take a look at your clients, or let us help you with some sales ideas. This helps solidify existing client relationships or helps you get back in the door. It pays up to 15% commission, which helps you, on your existing annuities that, aren't paying any longer because you've already sold, the annuity and you're done. So with insurance agency marketing, we've been in the business for 30 years. Same two owners. We have Charles Hiring and Steve Murray. We're one of the top brokerage firms in the United States. We rank in the top 5 for single premium lifestyle sales across the United States, so we're very proud of that. Again, what we offer our agents is a new producer bonus. We have marketing reimbursement. We offer to help with single premium life. We have a single premium life toolkit, which is great marketing pieces. You need to be contracted with us, with Equitrust in Baltimore, in order to utilize that toolkit. We offer a single premium life consumer presentation, and we have, again, those customized marketing pieces. So what I'm going to do now is go over some questions, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to send out another poll question about getting contracted with IAMS. If you're already contracted with us, you're set up on a paperless contracting system, and we can go ahead and get you contracted for any carrier that you're interested in. You just need to go ahead and call us or email us, and we'll go ahead and get that done for you. If you're not contracted, what we'll do is send you out our paperless contracting system, or our contracting pages. It's 4 pages, real easy. You just fill it out, circle the carriers you're interested in, and send that back, and then we'll get you set up. Everyone will receive a recorded version of this webinar, which is great. And with that recorded version, you'll receive, again, our paperless contracting. So let's get to some questions. Gosh, we have a lot, which is great. Again, this is, one is asked, will this be recorded? It is recorded. And again, everyone will receive a version. So someone asked, do we have access to any kind of consumer video for single premium life? It's not so much a consumer video. We do have a PowerPoint presentation, and we do have recorded versions of different single premium life webinars, I can look. I believe there actually may be some marketing pieces that are recorded for consumers on different website. I'll take a look. Once you're contracted, we are able to get that sent out to you that you are able to use. Let's see. So one asks, whenever I have a prospect and calculate their net after tax cash using an annuity versus SPL, SPL is better. And again, all of that is goes income tax free. It's all wealth, it's a great wealth transfer. So anyone who's interested in having their clients not pay taxes or having their beneficiaries not pay taxes on that, because that's going to be at their beneficiary's income tax rate, which is for the most part a lot higher than what their client's income tax rate is. Let's see, what else do we have? And typically the clients aren't looking at the cash value of the single premium life. If they're looking at cash value, then single premium life really isn't for them. Most of the clients that are looking at single premium life are looking at it for, again, wealth transfer, or they're looking at it for their nursing care, home health care benefits. If they're looking for wealth transfer, if they're looking at cash value, then they really need to be looking at like an indexed UL, or they need to be looking at a whole life policy. But single premium life would be more used, again, for wealth transfer or nursing care, home health care benefits. Do we have any other questions? Again, everyone will receive a recorded version of this webinar. Thank you so much for attending. This is Sandy with Insurance Agency Marketing. Any questions, please give us a call at 1-800-255-5055. I hope everyone has a safe and wonderful weekend. Thank you. Bye-bye.